gonna go get some scissors.
You should just go ahead and put them in. But if you put super glue on them, they work a lot better.
The jump material is very good. Yes. I'm gonna go get some scissors. What do we need a knife for, babe? He's got his new, couldn't wait. He's got to open up the bounce house, see what it looks like. All right, today is an exciting day. And we got a new bounce house. Jingo Jump. They got some really nice new designs for 2024. I'm telling you, they look good. And I'm about to show y'all. Hey, Mama. She's hungry. Yeah, he doesn't want to wait. He's ready to open now. He said this is his Merry Christmas. All right, today we got our 8th unit, our sixth combo unit. We got this combo unit from Jingo Jump. They got all these new designs for 2024. This thing looks sweet. We're gonna get it opened up, let y'all see everything that it comes with. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Is this the same tarp? These tarps are very bad.
They come.
It comes with a tarp, but you can expect to get one use out of this thing, and it's gonna turn into paper mache. I promise you that. These tarps, they should just go ahead and not even send them. Let's see, it comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 stakes?
Yeah, 6 18-inch stakes, and another one of these jankety water sprayers that are ridiculous. These zip tie, you have to go ahead and either super glue this on or get a metal banding strap. We've got quite a few units with this type of sprayer. Not a big fan at all, but if you put super glue on them, they work a lot better. And tell the customers to just crack the water, because this little thing won't let that much water out. So you really don't need a lot of water at all. And it also comes with a patch kit. And then you got blower. This is gonna be a 1.5 horsepower blower. Ooh, that's number 4 for us. 4 1.5 horse blowers. Whoa, that is actually a lot heavier than it looks. Whoa. Dang. Woo, that's heavy. I'm gonna get the dolly so we can move it over there and blow it up.
Oh, careful, careful. No scissors, Bubba. No scissors. No scissors. Careful, bounce house. Jingo Jump material is very thick. I'm just telling you. I kind of knew it was going to be like that because we've got the Tropical Blast water slide. It's like the marble water slide from Jingo Jump. It's thick material, but it wipes off real easy. It's shiny. It's good material. But boy, that is a heavy unit. Zipper. We'll turn it on in a minute, buddy. This is the drop bumper for dry, but we actually need to attach that one before we roll it up. Because we're gonna run it dry before we run it wet. Here we go. Oh, I see what you're seeing. The power line. What is really going on? This thing is pretty big. I just wonder what flaps are not. Probably some drain flaps somewhere not closed. Whew. And there she goes. Yeah, man, this is better than expected, to be honest. Like, Jingo Jump did a good job. I gotta be honest, like, wow. One thing about this unit I will tell you is that it is thick, it is heavy material, it's shiny and glossy material. I really like it. I think we're gonna have to rent this one more expensive than the Red and Blue Castle combo from Jingo Jump, maybe. Jungle Jumps, yeah. I don't think this seems like a $25 more rental to me, because it is beautiful. I gotta go get in this thing. I don't know. I gotta go. Gotta go first. Woo! Holy smokes! What are you talking? Shit.